And here we go, everybody's favorite part. Elimination in a word problem. Everything ends with a word problem. So we have to write a linear system to model this situation. We have an artist who was commissioned to make a 625 gram statue of a raven with 40% silver alloy. She has a 50% silver alloy and a 25% silver alloy. So, first of all, our variables. What are we going to start with? We have a 50% silver alloy and a 25% silver alloy. So let's label our variables. We're going to have X is going to be a 50% silver alloy. And Y is going to be a 25% silver alloy. Okay, so there are two variables. Now, 50% is the same as writing 0.5. So what we're going to do is we're going to say 0.5x plus 0.25y is going to equal 0.4 of 625.
8 and 4, if you're in the building, 8 and 4, please come to the front office.
So we'll fix that in a second. And as usual, we get an announcement. Our other equation is going to be x plus y equals 625. So we got to figure out what 40% of 625 is. 0.4 times 625. So 0.5, this becomes 0.5x plus 0.25y equals 250. So that's nice and simple to work with. So there are two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. What I'm going to do, I don't like decimals, I don't like fractions, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take equation 1 and leave it as is. But equation 2, I'm going to multiply it by 4. What's going to happen is that's going to change. 0.5 times 4 is going to give me 2. But 0.25 times 4 is going to give me 1. Is going to equal equation 3. And that's going to be 0.4, 0.5 times 4, 0.25 times 4, and 250 times 4. So that's going to give me 1x plus, or 2x plus 1y equals 1,000. Now I'm going to bring equation 1 down here. X plus y equals 625. And we're going to, same sign, plus plus, so we subtract. 2 subtract 1 equals 1x. 1 subtract 1, they cancel. 1,000 subtract 625 is 375. Perfect. X equals 375. So in context to the grams. So in context to this, we're going to have 375 grams of the 50% silver alloy. Now, we need to know the other one. So to solve for y, I'm going to take x plus y equals 625. And 375 plus y equals 625. Y equals 625 minus 375. 250. Hopefully that's right. So, grams. So, in this case, you don't have to write the coordinate point. You need to know what your two answers are and have the right units. And in this case, we're going to have 375 grams of X and 250 grams of Y, where X is the 50% silver alloy and Y is the 25% silver alloy. Okay, so the first part, all we had to do was write the equations. So there's part A would take in from here to here, to equation 2. And the solution, part B, would be this and this. Verify by subbing those two answers into the second equation, and it will get you the right answer. Okay? And again, there's word problems for elimination.